Alright, so look, I'm about to teach y'all how to get some motion, yo. This can make y'all over $10,000 a month if y'all do everything right. I'm telling y'all, this is the best money-making method in 2023. So to get started, you're gonna need an iPhone, you're gonna need Cash App, and you're gonna need Instagram. I'm sure you have an iPhone, Cash App, and Instagram, bro. So if you qualify, we can go on to the next step. So what you wanna do is, you wanna go to Instagram, and you wanna make a brand new account. After you make your brand new account, you wanna go to your profile, and you wanna click edit profile. Then you're gonna need to change your account into a professional account. Once you switch to a professional account, it's going to ask you what category are you in. Make sure you click comedian, bro. You want to put your category as comedian. Alright, so after that, they're going to ask you, are you a creator or are you a business? Make sure you click business. And yeah, once you do that, your Instagram all set up to make this money. So now go find a bunch of memes as you can. It don't matter if they funny or not. Just snatch as many memes as you can, bro. If you don't know where to get memes, you can go on TikTok and you can just take a bunch of videos directly from there, bro. Just make sure you convert it so you can remove the TikTok logo, bro. So once you found whatever memes you got, you want to use these hashtags right here. Why do you want to use these hashtags? Is because you're going to be able to go viral overnight, and once you go viral, you should be in a position to get ready to make a lot of money. So since you made the account a comedian account and you posted memes and funny videos, that means Instagram know exactly who to send your content to, and you most likely will be going viral overnight, bro. So let's say you got 10,000 followers now. You want to put your Cash App in your bio. After you do that, post on your story that you're doing $35 promos, bro. A lot of people will be looking at that like that's cheap and that's a deal. And if you do like 5 or 6 of them a day, you're gonna be making way over $200, bro. And that's gonna turn into over $10,000 at the end of the month, bro. So definitely try this method out. If y'all need help growing y'all Instagram pages, you can just join my Discord and I'll give y'all a shout out. And my Discord got over 1,000 members, so y'all could just put y'all Instagram pages in there and shout each other out, and y'all just go viral like that, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Make sure you leave a like if you enjoyed it. Comment down in the comment section if you want the link to the Discord. Alright, I'm out.